Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I will be the man behind the camera. In today's video, we are tinting the windows on the S80 V8. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alright guys, so today we are going to Laval, Quebec, Canada to a shop called Tint, which is going to be doing a full window tint on every single one of the windows except the windshield on our 2007 S80 V8. We are pretty much going to dial in the exterior look before we do the wrap, that is except the carbon body kit, of course, that we still have to work on. We're just waiting, guys, to have some better temperature because we cannot work inside. As some of you guys may know, the resin is actually super smell. It's like a it's a bad smell. You can't do that inside, so we're gonna wait that it gets hotter so we can work in the garage. Update on the S60R, guys. We have a couple of weeks before we can take it out. We're just waiting for the temperature to tone down a little bit. Today is actually pretty cold, -10 Celsius. So end of February, that's still some pretty cold weather. So hopefully we have spring that is coming very soon because we're super hyped about the summer. All right, let's get a straight pipe cold start on our 2007 Volvo S80 V8. Alrighty guys, so we are here at Tint in Laval, Quebec, Canada. Unfortunately guys, we cannot film inside because of COVID regulations here, since this is a commercial building and not like the usual places where we go, which is usually like friends or people that we know. We unfortunately cannot go inside and film because it is a smaller space and we have kind of restrictions now right now in Quebec, Canada. So I'm just gonna do a couple of B-rolls of the outside. So what we decided to do, guys, was to do a 20% all around in the back. So rear glass, so the rear windshield kind of, and the two rear doors are going to be 20%. It's going to be a XPEL type of film. We chose the XR Plus, so the top of the line, which is going to cut in about 83% of the heat in the summer. That was the whole point of doing the window tint, guys, so taking down the heat in the summer. Also, we went for the front 35%, so it is technically okay as far as lighting wise to go inside, and at night you see out pretty good, and we shouldn't get in any trouble with the police since it is still clear to see inside, just a little bit more tinted than usual.
Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, fuck it, mask on, mask on, fuck it, mask on, Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch.
Alrighty guys, everything is now installed on the car and it's time to show you guys some after results B-roll. Enjoy!
Put your mask on. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Yeah! Put your mask on. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Red James, 33 chains, Ocean now, cruising Biscayne.
Final result is absolutely amazing. It makes the car look so much different, more of a sleeker sleeper build now. We are super happy, guys, of how far the S80 V8 build has come so far. We still have a lot of things to do on it as far as carbon body kit, little exterior bits that are still left, but hopefully you guys have been enjoying the build so far. If you do, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any content from Tank Garage. See you, boys.